Join for Education welcomes to all of you in the inverse trigonometric function, which is second chapter of class 12. Let us develop the Let us discuss about this table. Domain of sine inverse is -1 to 1. Range of sine inverse is -pi by 2 to pi by 2. Domain of cos inverse is -1 to 1. Range of cos inverse is 0 to pi. Domain of tan inverse is all real numbers. Range of tan inverse is -pi by 2 to pi by 2. Domain of cot inverse is all real numbers. Range of cot inverse is 0 to pi. Domain of cosec inverse is all real numbers except -1 to 1. Range of cosec inverse is -pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. Domain of sec inverse is all real numbers except -1 to 1. Range of sec inverse is 0 to pi except -pi by 2. This is one of the most important table which is used during the solution of questions related to the inverse trigonometric function. Let us develop the class. Let us solve a question of exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 says that find the principal value of the following. In this question ask us what is the principal value of sine inverse -1 by 2. Let us solve this question. Let sine inverse -1 by 2 equal to x. Therefore, sin x equal to -1 by 2. Let us develop the class. Sin inverse -1 by 2 locate either fourth quadrant or third quadrant. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and we know that the principal value of sine inverse lies between -pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, the exact location of sine inverse -1 by 2 will be P. Let us develop the class. We know that the range of the principal value branch of sine inverse is -pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, point P locates at the fourth quadrant. X greater than or equal to -pi by 2 but less than or equal to pi by 2. Sin x equal to minus sin pi by 6. We know that the value of pi by 6, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Therefore, sin x equal to -1 by 2. We also know that minus sin theta equal to sin minus theta. Therefore, minus sin pi by 6 equal to sin minus pi by 6. Therefore, x equal to -pi by 6. This is the exact principal value of sine inverse -1 by 2. I hope that there is no problem or there is no doubt to understand the solution of this question. Similarly, we can solve rest other questions of this exercise according to this one. As per your requirement, write your question into the comment box. I shall try to solve your question till Then thanks to all of you. Thank you very much to listen and watch the content.